today's video. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my Instagram story icons. I've been DM'd so many times asking how I do this, so I decided to do a video teaching you guys how I do it so you guys can do it for yourselves. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right on to the video. As you guys can tell on my home screen, I have a ton of little stories right here, like memories, coffee love, new videos, and giveaway. Those are the 4 that I have, and then I have like my regular story. But if you guys can tell, on each one it has a little pink marker, and then on each one it says the name of the story. So yeah, those are the icons, so that's what I'm going to show you guys how to do. So you're going to want to go to your little camera to put pictures on your story. Hello. So then you're going to swipe up because that's when you get all of like your saved pictures from your camera roll. And so as you guys can tell here, I have a blank black picture, just like a black screen. So when you go to text, you can write whatever you want. So for right now, I'm gonna write memories, and then you can pick the color and everything, and you can change the font. I'm just gonna leave it how it is, and make sure that it's right in the center. Like, so as you guys can tell here, it gives you the little marker, the little indicator. So yeah, so right there, it's perfectly in the middle. So once that's done, you're gonna click add to story. So then once it's on your story, you go. So you go to the your little mini story here on your home screen. So I'm gonna go to where it says memories because that's what I put. And then at the bottom left corner where it says more and the 3 little dots, you're gonna click on that, and then it's gonna say either remove from highlight or edit highlight. You're gonna click edit highlight. So when you click edit highlight, there you can see all the pictures that are on your story right now and everything. So then you're going to go to where it says archive. You're going to click on that, and then so every picture that you put on your story automatically saves to archive, so that's why you have to put it on your regular story first. So then I'm going to select the one that says memories, and I'm going to put done. And then it's going to load and everything. Okay, perfect. So once it exits out, that means that it's already on your story. So then you're going to click that same button again and go back to edit highlight, and then at the top where it says edit cover, you're going to click on that, and then right here at the bottom you can scroll through every single picture that's on your story right now. So obviously I'm going to pick the one that says memories, and then I'm going to like zoom it in, put it right in the center. You guys can edit it however you want, and then click done, and then it changes automatically, and then it has that little icon, and then you put done, and then when you leave that story, there, see? It's super easy, you guys. And then obviously you guys can change the color, you guys can edit the picture however you want. And so yeah, so that's the end for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, you guys know the drill. Don't forget to leave a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and click that little bell icon to be notified whenever I post a new video. And so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Okay, so if you guys have any Instagram tips or tricks that are easier that you want to share, don't forget to comment them down below so everyone else can check them out. And so yeah, thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!